Hello and welcome. With over 15 years of teaching experience, I have successfully guided countless students of all ages and proficiency levels. I hold a MAD in education, MA TEFL, and an MPhil in linguistics, which gives me a deep insight in language structure, grammar, phonetics, semantics, pronunciation, and communication skills. My belief is every student is unique. I design a lesson according to their needs and goals. Whether they want to learn Urdu from scratch, improve grammar, sentence structure, and communication skills, expand vocabulary, or gain confidence in speaking, master writing, reading, and comprehension. My teaching style is interactive, friendly, engaging, and activity based. I use real life examples, conversations, and practical exercises. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, I'm here to guide you step by step on your language learning journey. Book a trial lesson with me and let's work together to achieve your language learning goals. I look forward to helping you on your journey to success. See you in the class.